Hello YouTube, I'm back at you with another video. As you can see, I'm at Walmart, which is mostly my clearance items in the store. And let me see, I only found one item, which is that Star Wars, and I can't really sell it off of Amazon. So what I'm going to do right here is just pull it up on eBay. Let me see, as you can see, focus. Yeah, it's selling for that, not really selling for that much, but that's what people are trying to pay. And this is how much they are selling. $39. Not $39. Yeah, $39. 40. Let me go see how much this price scanner is ringing up, because it's $8.15. Alright, so far I went into the electronics section to see if they have any clearance items there, and I only found one thing that was worth picking up. Okay, sorry about that, hopefully you can hear me, but pretty much I picked up this bubble wrap. It's not nothing special. I need more bubble wrap. Putting it underneath there, or just putting that off to the side. But I came across this little ink, and selling for $25 clearance. And let me just show you off of eBay. I know I can't sell it off of Amazon, so I'm gonna at least try to sell it off of eBay. Okay, hopefully you can see that. From what I was seeing, it was selling for at least around $50. And off of Amazon, which it tells me a lot that it's gonna drop a little bit off of eBay, but Amazon, it should be selling a little bit higher. Too bad I'm restricted. Focus camera. Oh, can't focus. But as you can see, it's selling for brand new $72 off of Amazon. So hopefully I could at least sell it for $50. And the shipping won't eat up the funds too much or my profit. But I'm only gonna get these two items and then get my bubble wrap, and I'll be out of the store.